Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your controller if it is not working, not being detected, or not responding correctly in Hell Let Loose Vietnam on PC. We'll adjust Steam input, check the controller settings in Steam, and also refresh the controller driver in Windows. Let's get started. Solution 1. Change the Steam input setting first. Open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Hell Let Loose Vietnam. Right-click the game and select Properties. In the menu on the left, open the Controller tab. Find the Override for Hell Let Loose Vietnam drop-down menu. Select Enable Steam Input. Now close the Properties window and launch the game. Check whether your controller is working correctly. If the controller still does not work, close the game and return to the same controller settings. Open the Override for Hell Let Loose Vietnam menu again. This time, select Disable Steam Input. Launch the game again and test your controller. Some controllers may work better with Steam Input enabled, while others may work correctly only when it is disabled. Solution 2. Configure the Steam controller settings. If the controller is still not working, open Steam again. Click Steam in the upper left corner. Select Settings. Open the Controller section. Click Show Advanced Settings. Scroll down until you find External Gamepad Settings. Only change the options that match the type of controller you are using. If you use an Xbox controller, locate Steam Input for Xbox controllers and enable it. If it is already enabled and your controller still does not work, disable it and test the game again. If you use a PlayStation controller, locate PlayStation controller support. First, set it to Not Enabled. If that does not work, change it to Enable in games without support. Then, launch the game again and test your controller. If you use a Nintendo Switch controller or a generic controller, configure the corresponding Steam input option in the same way. Try enabling it first. If that does not work, disable it and test the game again. If you use an Xbox controller, you can also install the Xbox Extended Feature Support driver from Steam's controller settings. This optional driver may improve controller compatibility in some games. Now launch Hell Let Loose Vietnam and check if the controller is working. And that's all there is to it. One of these solutions should help fix your controller if it is not working or not being detected in Hell Let Loose Vietnam on PC. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Hell Let Loose Vietnam tutorials, controller fixes, and PC gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.